Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time of coming across to my kitchen, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bake chicken and potato with carrot in the oven. Let's get started. To start this recipe, we will need 4 potato that we already peeled and washed and clean. Cut it into 2 places because we don't want to cut it a little bit smaller so that it will not get burned in the oven. After that, transfer it in the bowl. Once we are done transferring it in the bowl, next we are going to be going in with parsley, then go in with curry and seasoning. Have you ever roasted your potato with curry? Try this recipe and you are going to like it. Then go in with salt and ginger. Add ginger so that you have ginger the swaggy. After that, go in with potato seasoning. This seasoning contains salt, so you just have to be careful while adding it. Then go in with a little oil. I have to mix it thoroughly so that all the seasoning will go inside the chicken perfectly the way I want it. Once I'm done mixing, what I do now, I'm going to leave it to settle for at least 30 minutes. It's optional. You can do what you prefer to do in your own food. So next is to 30 minutes later, we have to introduce this inside our pan, then spread it perfectly. In here, we have a seed of onions. Go ahead and cut it into slices, 6 pieces. So I don't want to overcut it more than this. This is just how I want it. Then sprinkle the onions inside our chicken and potato. Guys, yesterday when I was baking this, so everywhere in my house, when you see the aroma, it was given there. So in here we have carrot. We are going to be making use of carrots as well. Then go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. After that, we have a seed of garlic. That is why I just want this scent inside, not too much, so that I will not be smelling garlic. So once we are done, then sprinkle everything, both your carrot on it. See better potato now. So guys, once we are done, we are going to bake this for at least 45 to 1 hour, depending on your oven. We'll set our oven in 255 degrees. In here is our potato is ready, guys. If you love this video, kindly share and comment. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.